had just ridden 2,000 miles from deep in Mexico, only to have to fix my clutch when I got to Sturgis, South Dakota. Now with the rally a couple of days away, there was time to rest up and move my camp deeper into the woods where I could be a little bit more peaceful and quiet and still be able to see my friends on the way out. This is Troy Bensinger, vagabondbiker.com.
Yep, vagabondbiker.com.
Yep. And he's got the coolest fucking jacket. Admiring this thing for a long time, man. So what you got?
Well, this vest is about 30 years old. It's lasted this long. A lot of the patches came from the previous denim cut, and you can see that it just deteriorated from the sun. So she sews in little patterns to help keep them there. My pins oftentimes are from friends that passed away. This was on my basket at the boys club when I was a little kid. You would put your jacket and stuff in there. This is my Boy Scout pin from I don't know, I was 9 or 10 years old. Some of the states that I've been to, I can't fit them all on one vest, obviously, so I highlight those states that I like the best. Wounded Warrior Project people.
Project.
Patches for friends that have passed. Scoots from the Satanic Mechanics from Arizona recently went. This is a friend in Florida who's currently an officer in the United States Air Force.
Oh, that's cool.
This is what he flies on, the U-28A.
We will find you. Look at that.
Yeah, we will.
It's awesome,
this is fucking
man.
America. People have always told me I'm a genius, so I went ahead and got the patch. Every good vest should have a rape whistle.
That's important.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a Misfits patch. I never even saw that.
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
I fucking love the Misfits.
I like bebopping around on my bike listening to punk rock music.
Hell yes.
I was
Same
in
here.
a riding club, if you will, chopper club. That's something that I
hang on to.
Yep. This was my grandfather's laundry pin from World War II.
No kidding.
He was in the Army Air Corps.
No
he was
kidding.
a tail gunner stationed in France, dropping bombs on our German friends. You always need a thermometer and compass. But yeah, that's my cut.
That's awesome, man. That is the best fucking cut I've ever seen at one of these rallies, man.
Thank you,
That thing is
Joey
fucking, that's Troy's new bike.
It's a limited edition 1200
true
true custom 113.
113 out of only 200.
Apparently.
I'll be damned.
I never knew about him, but 16 years old, 30,000 miles, cost $3,000. You want to get out and ride and go camp, you don't need a $20,000 bagger. Be like Joey Rader.
Well, yeah, sort of.
Yeah. Sketchy's not always that scary.
Sort of got a bagger now. It's kind of a sport touring, but it's...
I ain't mad at you.
Much respect to Troy and that badass cut. With my bike fixed and only one day to get some riding in, I headed to Spearfish Canyon. The next day I packed up my stuff and headed to my first day of work. Getting to take this ride every day to work certainly did not suck. The 6-mile ride through the Black Hills every morning allowed me to clear my head and stay focused on the task at hand. right, so I'm out here at Memphis Shades. This is the end of the first day. We got everything set up. Had a new guy working for us, riding that little Honda 125 scooter. So, lot's pretty empty now. Nothing much to do but shower and go home. Didn't take long before the motorcycles started piling in, and we began to hear predictions of an extremely high attendance rate to come, and that it might just exceed all previous attendance records. New and improved spot. Now that everybody's starting to file in, just over here to get a little bit more peace and quiet. Sometimes it gets pretty loud over there. There's a dry creek bed that runs through this way. And so a lot of people stay on the other side of the dry creek bed. And actually the other side of Camp 5 that you've seen in some of the videos is like right around there. Deep in those woods, that's where everybody else is. And so I just have my little setup on the side of this cliff, which is pretty precarious because it's about 100-foot drop off, 70 feet drop off. And if you were to fall off of that, it would be a bad night. Gotta watch where you take a leak around here. Dennis from over there gave me this little MSR stove, so I've been using that and actually having hot coffee for the first time ever. So enjoying that. Of course, now I'm out of fuel. I gotta figure out a place to get the fuel. Yeah, this is what I do every morning. Wake up, have my coffee, and get ready to start the day. Most days would go like this: wake up, drink coffee, talk to some friends across the way, and head to work. I'm across the creek, obviously. People are filling in. There's David. What's up, man?
Just getting ready, bro.
What's this fancy shit?
Yeah, I just found a piece of board, bro, and got my coffee maker. My table, my kitchen table. I just took a shower.
Is that a Bialetti?
Yeah, that's a
Like an
cappuccino
espresso maker.
Espresso maker, yeah.
That's hardcore, man.
Yeah, so it just got done. Hey, don't forget this.
Oh,
Italian
dark
roast.
Italian
Yes,
roast.
sir.
Okay.
Good morning, man. How you feeling?
I'm good, man.
How'd
Good.
you sleep? Did the rain wake you?
A little bit, a little
I
bit.
didn't catch it. I don't know.
Gets
what
loud.
happened. I didn't hear nothing.
Really?
Yeah, I was woke up.
All right, seeing what's out here. Hello. Tank. Hey, he's back. What you doing back here, man?
Your problem straightened out.
Yeah, I did, man. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good, good.
Right. Morning, Joe.
Morning.
How you doing today?
Good, good. Another day in paradise.
Got it. Any day above ground's a good day, man.
That's it. That's it. You guys start working yet?
No, I'm not working the rally.
Oh, you're not? On the first day of work, it didn't take long for the insanity to start piling in.
It's all air actuated. He just pushes a button gets off of it.
So they got me in the bowels of the truck trying to fix this mechanism that makes the lift gate go up and down and stay wherever it is. Right now, there's no tension on it. Doing some surgery here. I'm going to remove each of these 4 bolts off of there. The colenoid, they call it. Like a good doctor, I worked on the colenoid until the job was done. Alright, so this is the colenoid. Just removed. This piece is supposed to recess, so it was basically putting pressure on that piece. We just replaced the colenoid. Ooh, the dreaded colenoid. See if it's working.
Okay, are you all clear?
Yes, sir.
Here goes down.
Okay.
That's all I'm supposed to do. Okay, I'm gonna hit up,
Okay.
hit down.
All right.
Look, see how it went up?
Yeah.
See how it's staying up?
Right.
And I hit the button, and it comes down.
Yeah.
That's all I'm supposed to do.
So
So
that's-
take the bolts out and make sure.
Okay. Yep.
It appears to be working.
With the proverbial colenoid fixed and the first day of work in the bag, I headed back to camp. Already the number of motorcycles I was counting on the road was insane, and the official start was still 3 days away. But as I was soon to find out, things were to get a lot more crazy. Roads, where we're going, we don't need.